8 years ago. It is important for Mr. Holness to grasp and acknowledge the emergency most Jamaicans know their country to be facing, and to pull together all stakeholders to formulate and articulate credible solutions, and with the support of all partners, critically the political opposition, mobilize the society for its implementation. In the forefront of this mission, therefore, must be Mr. Holness, his National Security Minister Robert Montague, the Commissioner of Police George Quayle, the Chief of Defence Staff of the Jamaica Defence Force Major General Rocky Meade, the Opposition Leader Peter Phillips, and the Shadow Security Minister Fitz Jackson. They are the ones, the Gleaner wrote, in that order, who Jamaicans should hold primarily responsible for finding workable solutions to this problem. Further, the Prime Minister contests the idea of crisis, or rejects, or has trouble conjuring the concept of anarchy, we invite him to attempt to visualize and contemplate the impact of any of a number of recent events, like last Saturday's incident in East Kingston, where gunmen fired on mourners at a funeral service. 2 persons were killed and several others injured. There was too, the Gleaner wrote on December 13, 2017, the June 16 incident in the heart of Montego Bay, the island's top resort, when, in busy traffic, men with powerful guns emerged from a car and shot dead Elvis Malcolm, 24, who was on his way from court in another vehicle. Or the one on September 1 that left George Hall, 70, dead. It was 11 a.m. Mr. Hall was driving his minivan along a busy Queens Drive. Gunmen intercepted his vehicle and cut him down. Said the Gleaner on December 13, 2017. Such incidents are not infrequent in Montego Bay or elsewhere in the parish of St. James, of which it is the capital, where there have already been well over 300 homicides so far this year, and the trending at over a quarter more than in 2016. Neither are they rare in the country as a whole, which in 2017 will record around 1,600 murders, the most in 7 years. Indeed, the Gleaner wrote December 13, 2017, the Malcolm and Hall murders and the many others like them represent impunity on the part of criminals who are aware that fewer than half of these murders will be cleared up and less still will ever reach the courts. Impunity of this order, and in this context, is the other side of the face of anarchy. Another perspective on this national debasement, the Gleaner wrote, is that the number of criminal homicides in Jamaica this year will be equivalent, taking the higher estimate of the persons who died in that incident, to nearly 23 times the number of people killed in the 2010 operation in Tivoli Gardens, for which Prime Minister Holness apologized in Parliament last week.